if you are not yet profitable trading binary options market, it's probably because you are struggling with discipline or strategy, probably psychology, or any of the above, or probably all of the above. Okay, so in this video, I've packed the secrets you need to develop a strategy. This is what we do every day on this very channel. This is all we do every single day. We trade and we document our live operations so you can learn and use them to start to better yourself. We don't do any of those fluff right here. We don't trade with indicators. We don't trade with robot. So if you are interested in transparency and you want to learn for real, then you want to watch the entire video. And of course, if you're interested in transparency, like I said, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our important live operations that are going to be coming up in the future, guys. So you can see that we have already had this very beautiful trade, and shortly let me quickly walk you through some of the reasons why I placed this trade. Of course, right here, this right here is the range. Okay, so price has been moving straight in the straight line, and of course, which means that price has been trapped for such a long time, and all I have to wait for is the breakout, which will show to me that the price will move in the direction of the breakout. And I have already placed this trade at the end of this candle. This showed to me that yes, I need to enter this very trade, but there are some secrets hidden here that I'm going to be explaining to you shortly. And of course, this is why one of the secrets is why I have drawn the horizontal level I have drawn. Why did I not draw these wicks on the support and of course on the resistance? So you have to watch the entire video to be able to get this secret that I'm going to be sharing with you guys pretty shortly. Okay, so why this trade run for the next 1 minute? Let me quickly walk you through my mindset. Like I've always made clear on the very channel, we do not lose right here. Okay, every single day we gain something, and that's the mindset you need to have, the right approach you need to have if you want to be consistently profitable trading the binary options market. Understand that every lose should serve as a lesson for you. Every loss in the game should serve as a lesson to you. So make sure you are always documenting every of your trade, and of course use the weekends to go through your trade and know what you did, how you performed, what worked and what didn't work, and know what you can double down upon and what to avoid. This is just the essence of documenting. Okay, it helps you to keep a track of everything you're doing, and of course that can be very helpful in the long run. So we have few seconds for this trade runner. We have less than 10 seconds now. Let's quickly see through 4, 3, 2, 1, and guys, a beautiful trade right here. We have just ended this in profit. Okay, so guys, understand that the only reason why we were able to effortlessly win this trade is nothing but strategy. Okay, focus. All right, those are the things, and of course showing up every day helps us to build this type of mindset that helps us to see this type of strategies, this type of setup, and of course enter them just like a sniper would do. And of course, this is why we recommend that you need to have the skill. Okay, and you need to have the right skill to be able to place trade like this. And there is nothing wrong with following those indicators and following those robots. Nothing wrong about that. If it helps you make money, then it's cool. But for a beginner like you who is still struggling, I can assure you that indicators and robot will not serve you well. You need to be able to learn how to use price action. Okay, you need to understand price action, the action behind the price. You need to understand that. If you know that, you will be able to say goodbye to all indicators and robot and start trading how trading should be. Okay, so we have a mentorship program put together that helps beginners to advance. Okay, so if you are interested in that, join us and we'll show you everything you need to start profiting trading the binary options market starting today. All right, if you're also busy, you have no strategy, but you want to make profit from the game, it is simple. We give away all our signals every single day for free, 100%. So join us. The link is going to be below on the comment section. We're giving you guys everything 100% for free. Just take the trades. We have done the analysis and everything, and let's profit together, guys. That being said, more important than the win is the why. Why have I placed this trade, and what is our secret that I'm going to be sharing with you shortly. Now let's go. So the first thing you want to do is to try to understand the trend. All right, so right here the trend has been a beautiful downtrend for such a long time. Okay, so that means we probably just want to be trading in the direction of the sellers, and then what happened here is we need to wait for a retracement phase, which means we want price to move a little bit upward in the direction of the buyers for a while. Those are when price as eventually becomes reasonable to enter a trade. Okay, so considering that we didn't have that retracement phase we were looking for, instead price started to range. Okay, price started to move in a straight line, as you can see right here. All right, so if you observe, you will see that this right here is the first high that we can see, and then this is the next low that price created. Okay, so the next time price tested this level, there was a breakout, but price didn't close above. Okay, so the price closed at the same level as where it's closed, it touched right here. So the price also reversed back again and could not touch this level, and then price also went back again and couldn't close above this level, and the price went down again and it touched this very previous level but could not close. Okay, you see the rejection right here. Price also came all the way up right here and could not close above. So you can see that this right here is the first high, but price is failing to break that highs. It's failing to close below that highs. And again, I would have drawn my trend lines on my horizontal level here, but the reason why I could not do it is because if you look at this level, it is not equal levels. Okay, if you put this right here, you see that price has already broken it multiple times again right here. So I could not trust that level. What I had to trust was the level where I had some consistencies. Okay, that's what you need to look out for. You need to look out for consistencies. You need to look out for how the market is moving and the patterns it is showing you. We have to have, for instance, in a downtrend, we have to have series of lower lows and lower highs. Those are the consistencies we're going to look out for in a downtrend. And in an uptrend, we're going to look for consistencies like the higher highs and the higher lows. So the equal lows, when market is ranging, we need to also look at consistencies. We don't want to see inconsistencies. Okay, so if you see patterns a level repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times, that is consistency. And of course, if the level is broken, then we need to see price changing again in the future. Okay, so where I was able to find the consistency was on this very level, so I have to draw that level out, and I saw that it respected here on the bodies, here on the wick, and that is what I had to see. And on the support level, on this low, I had this level right here, all right, and this level right here. Okay, I was able to connect this and here. This one is not consistent, all right, because it happened only once. So here I found a consistent level. This is 3 times in the past, 1, 2, 3, and then I had also this level 4. Okay, that right there is of course consistency, and of course I have to wait for a breakout from this channel. Price was trapped for a long time, and of course I had the breakout on this very candle, took my trade, and of course it was a beautiful win. So this is everything about this live operation. We hope you've learned something and you can apply. All right, if you find value in this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Of course, if you have any questions in regard to this strategy, drop them below. We are very good at replying to comments on the comment section. I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.